information from what it was when it came in. And a little update on the Camaro. This here is a 1968 over-the-counter replacement carburetor. So if you went into Chevrolet and you needed some warranty work done and you had a bad carburetor and you had a big block 396 or maybe an MO or DZ motor, this would be the carburetor they would most likely put on your car. There's the fuel lines. This is a 5/8 right here, and then it goes out to 3/8 here, which is the factory correct fuel line for an MO or DZ motor. And there's some parts that aren't quite right on it, but we're going to go ahead and replace those with original stuff. Still has the original screws on it. The metering blocks are correct on it. Everything's right. It really hasn't been messed with, other than maybe a couple little odds and ends exterior like this. I believe that is definitely incorrect. It should look like this one here on the back. Again, metering blocks are correct for it. And again, it's a 780 CFM, and the one that's on the car now is a 580 CFM single feed. One inlet over here. In the front, we're going to now have two with the dual feed. It's still vacuum secondary, so it's still got good street manners. And this should lively up the Camaro. Stay tuned for some exciting stuff happening with the Camaro. She's going to be heading into Largo on Monday to go see John down at LHT for some TLC, getting the exhaust system finally squared away. And of course, this is going to be going down to the carburetor man for restoration, and getting this thing squared away so I can go ahead and put it on the car, or on the engine I should say. Going to have to do something here with the accelerator, as the one on the 580 is definitely different than this. So maybe the carburetor man can make some accommodations. So this is, really good and plug and play for us on the Camaro. Well, thanks for watching, guys. We'll definitely get this thing moved along on the differential, and